I'm on my way to the beach again. This is the second whole day in Koh Samet. I've been chatting a little bit with my landlady. Very nice. It's 11:30, so this is much earlier than yesterday. I was like 1:30, so this is 11. It's 2 hours earlier than yesterday. So I'm on my way to the beach again. This is sort of the last strip where they have selling all the things. And here is the beach. And it looks like it's gonna be a very nice day. And there's so not many people here. It's not many. I think I'll go to the place I were yesterday. Look at this. Jealous much? So somewhere around this spot here I had. Oh, there are people staying at this grand view. Yeah, let's see people here. But I'm gonna lay down. Up in my room, and well, I've been on the beach the whole day until like 4 o'clock, 3:30, and then I've been up in my room, and this is the reception, and I've ordered boat tour for tomorrow. They're gonna pick me up at 11:40 and gonna do a boat tour from 12 to 5 o'clock. So yeah, and now I'm going to that place where I suppose they have like a fire, the fire show at 8 o'clock. Now it's around 7, I think. And they also, inside here, they have like the festival. And this is also things that you can buy for the festival, because this was something yesterday. So and they're very pretty. This looks a little bit like Hindu. I don't know if it is, but I think it is. I don't know, but I think it is because the temple itself looks very Hindu, like a what? Like a what? Yep. And as you can see, I've shaved myself. It's because when I'm starting to work, I probably won't have a beard. So now I want to have a real tan all over my face, so it doesn't get shady or something. Yep, the boat trip was 600 baht, but we also have to go to another national park. So, or maybe I should. Yeah, I should. I'm gonna walk this way and go. Yeah, so I don't need to go to the beach the whole time. And as you can see, I'm not walking on the beach. That is why, because I'm walking here, and then I'm gonna go down on the beach a little bit further. Do you remember here, inside here, there was a festival the other night? Maybe it was yesterday. And I think they have like a bigger festival today. It's like a lantern festival or something. I'm not gonna look at it now. I'm gonna look at it later. There it is. I'm at Talaibar. I'm at the furthest end of the beach, and I'm sitting here with my Chang beer, and I've ordered some spicy food. Look, here you can also relax afterwards. and it's not so many people here, and I think there won't be a fire show here tonight. I didn't see any sign of it, and maybe that's why it's not so many people. We'll see about it. We'll see. I'm gonna have something spicy and fish, fried fish this time. Yeah. So I think it's, I don't know if it's fish or if it's squid. We'll see. Oh, I think it's like seafood, like because there's shrimps there as well. Yummy. But I think the singer hasn't been warming up his voice. It's so spicy, and you could call it like maybe seafood plate. Oh, it's so good. 2 mms, definitely. Oh, and there it lies, the beauty. That was really, really nice. And there wasn't any fire show there that has been the other nights. But I saw, I don't know if you see it all the way, I see some fire over there. It's very hard to see. So I think they sort of like have it on different places. So, but I'm gonna be here for 3 more days, so I won't miss it. And I've seen it before. Blah, blah, blah. I go there and see. I think it's over, but they're sort of, doing the after show now, playing. So yeah, gonna look at this some other day, the full show. Oh yeah, so I just go into town and see if there's some festival still going on. Oh, you noticed? I have no beard. Well, just a little. I was like, okay, this is the thing. I'm starting a new production 1st of December. This. Yes, Peter Pan goes wrong, or as in Swedish, Peter Pan går åt helvete. So I'm going to be in that show, and I'm going to be in it show some small parts, and I'm also going to be understudy for 4 parts. So I don't think I can have a beard. Because I'm not gonna have a beard then I wanted to I don't know if I'm getting brown from the sun, and if I have a beard, maybe when I take it off it'll be like be all white under it. So I took it off now, so I can get brown all over the place. So there you have it. Full explanation of the beard thing. It feels like it's more festive feeling, and it will be nice to see what's happening on Saturday, because apparently a lot of people from Bangkok come here during the weekends. This is because they're very close to Bangkok and other Thai people from other places than Bangkok and all around, yeah, close, because this is an island, but it's very close to the mainland. It's so funny that it's free oil. Isn't it always free oil? But somewhere I saw free gasoline, free gas. So that's more unusual. Okay, so I think this must be a vat, because this looks very vat-like. So this is the entrance to the market thing and stuff. This Buddha here, so this is definitely a vat. And a man told me on a motorbike, "Vat ko papa," he said. Not like that, but something like that. Vat ko papa.
ขอเรียนเชิญจ้านะต่อบุญต่อแบงต่อวาสนากันท่านนี้ไม่ได้ต่อให้ท่านประธานท่านนี้เริ่มว่างแล้วนะฮะเมื่อจะครู่นี้เข้าคิวกันเลยตอนนี้ก็เริ่มว่างแล้วขอเรียนเชิญนะครับถวายท่านประธานบุญกันเพราะถือว่าท่านประธานบุญนี่เป็นเรื่องลิขิตเขาก็จะกลายเป็นเรียกว่าความสุขมีชัยในเทศกาลเดือน12เพนเดือน12กลางเดือนนี่นะฮะต่อบุญต่อแบงกันนะครับต่อบุญต่อแบงได้เลยจ้าอนุโมทนาสาธุนะครับต่อความเป็นเศรษฐีต่อความมั่งต่อความมีต่อความเป็นเศรษฐีกันนะครับเขาเรียนเชิญนะเขาเรียนเชิญไปเลยจ้าต่อบุญต่อแบงทั้งนี้ทั้งน้อยต่อไว้ให้ทำไปรวยจะได้รวยนั้นนะเราจะได้
So it's like an ordinary market. But a lot of things, a lot of food to buy. And this man was talking very loud.
He sounds like he's a auction guy. Like he's auctioning out, but I don't know if he is that, and I don't know where he is as well.
And here you say they have the Buddhist, a little temple here. We can see the monks are here, and here you can buy offerings. And then you go into the temple and make your offering. Look at this very big candle they're using to light. And there's even one bigger over there. This is also some sort of celebration. Look at that. Located this man who is talking all time. I don't know where he is. I think he's hiding somewhere. And he's talking very, very loud. I'm leaving the man behind me, wherever he is, and going home. There's a lot of motorbikes here. Motorbikes, scooters rule. I don't think I told you this. Yeah, I booked a tour for tomorrow. I'm going on a island hopping tour, something like that. So it's gonna be a lot of water, maybe beaches. I don't know. Just yeah, it's gonna be quite fabulous, I think. So I looked through the content that I filmed today, and guess what? I saw the man who was talking so loud. At least I think so. Did you spot him? Tell me where he stood in the comments.